Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many users want to access their laptop camera from their phone. This can be useful for remote monitoring, meetings, or checking your webcam from anywhere. If you are trying to do this using an Android phone, do not worry. I will show you a simple and reliable method step by step. We will use Chrome Remote Desktop for this process. This method works on PC and laptop in most cases. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. Now search for Chrome Remote Desktop and open the official page. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Click on Turn on to enable remote access. Enter a name for your computer. Tap on Next. Now create a PIN and confirm it. Tap on Start to finish the setup. After this, open the camera app on your laptop. Make sure your webcam is working properly. Now grab your Android phone. Open the Play Store and download Chrome Remote Desktop. After installing, open the app. Sign in using the same Google account. You will see your laptop listed there. Tap on your laptop name. Enter the PIN you created earlier. Once connected, you will have full access to your laptop screen. You can now open any app that uses the camera. This allows you to view and control your laptop camera from your phone. That is how you access your laptop camera from an Android phone. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick guides and troubleshooting tutorials.